Hello, welcome to the channel. It has been almost 3 years since we went solar. We wanted to sell solar but first wanted the experience. I will give you the truth about solar from a consumer and business perspective. Let's start with the number one thing that anyone interested in solar should do. I'm here to assist you in finding the latest updates and developments in the solar energy sector, encompassing government policies, private industry advancements, and the advantages and disadvantages for residential customers. The solar industry in the United States is currently undergoing significant growth, anticipating the addition of a record-breaking gigawatts of capacity in 2024. This surge is attributed to tax incentives introduced by the Inflation Reduction Act. Despite this positive trajectory, the industry faces challenges such as trade barriers, increased interest rates, grid delays, and the need to balance supply and demand. For comprehensive information, the Department of Energy regularly publishes a quarterly solar industry update. The October 2023 report delves into technical trends, market insights, and policy developments related to solar energy, covering aspects like PV deployment, imports, module prices, and state policies. To stay informed on diverse aspects of solar energy, Solar Magazine provides quality news spanning technology, innovation, business, environment, and education. Subscribing to their newsletter ensures regular updates. The Solar Energy Industries Association, SEIA, issues a quarterly solar market insight report, monitoring the growth and trends in the U.S. solar industry across residential, commercial, utility, and community segments. The December 2023 report indicates a 35% year-over-year growth in the U.S. solar market during Q3 2023, with 7.3 gigawatts of installations. For in-depth analyses on energy and environmental matters, including solar energy, E&E News by POLITICO is a valuable source. Featuring articles, podcasts, videos, and newsletters, it covers policy, regulation, technology, and market-related topics. A recent article explores key issues to watch in the solar industry for 2024, encompassing trade, manufacturing, storage, and transmission. These insights cover the latest news and occurrences in the solar energy field, government policies, private industry developments, and the pros and cons relevant to residential customers. I trust this information proves valuable to you. Now, what does that mean for anyone looking for solar? First, do your research and determine why you want solar. My reasoning was to get real-world experience. The following are typically the top reasons most people go solar. Cost savings. One of the primary motivations is the potential for significant cost savings on electricity bills. Solar panels allow homeowners to generate their renewable energy, reducing dependence on traditional utility providers and often leading to lower monthly expenses over the long term. Environmental impact. Many homeowners choose solar power to contribute to environmental sustainability. Solar energy is a clean and renewable resource that produces minimal carbon emissions, helping to reduce the carbon footprint and combat climate change. Energy independence. Going solar provides a degree of energy independence. Homeowners can generate their own electricity, reducing reliance on external sources. This can be particularly appealing in regions with fluctuating energy prices or unreliable grid infrastructure. Government incentives. Various government incentives and tax credits make solar installations more financially attractive. These incentives can significantly offset the initial costs of purchasing and installing solar panels, making the transition to solar energy more affordable for homeowners. Increased property value. Solar installations can enhance the resale value of a home. Many home buyers are attracted to properties with existing solar panels due to the potential for lower energy costs and the environmental benefits. This can make the property more appealing in the real estate market. I had many challenges with my installer on a consumer and business front. It took my panels 8 months before they got installed, then the installer damaged my property. It was repaired, but it took several months and a letter from my attorney before we got a check to recuperate the damages. Next, I got a string inverter and it went out after 1 year. I had to pay for the monthly solar loan and a higher energy bill when my panels were not working. I eventually got it fixed. Another thing to look at is your insurance. I have never gotten net metering credits. I am not energy independent because it was not cost effective for me to buy a solar panel. In addition, my insurance raised my roof deductible to $20,000 when I reported that I had solar. Although there were many challenges, I have seen about a 60% reduction in my utility bill. I got a $4,500 rebate check when my panels were installed. I also got a nice income federal deduction because of the panels. I should have purchased the panels under my business, but I didn't, so I didn't get any commission on my current panels. As a consumer, I would purchase again but shop around more and go with a well-known local installer. As a business owner, I discovered that I paid too much for my panels. I advise customers to get 3 quotes and never buy on impulse. I have talked many people out of getting solar. One person over 70 years old got solar from a company that is now out of business. I did an analysis and found out that a lease purchase or not getting solar was his best option. After consulting with his children, we got him to cancel the contract with the other company. Thank goodness I contacted him on the same day that he had gotten solar. He was able to cancel the contract. I am constantly looking for honest installers who are not in business to price gouge customers. Yes, I am in business to make a profit as a partner and advocate. I am a long-term partner. I now do more consulting, but my wife and I do have partnerships with installers, and when the opportunity is beneficial for the homeowner, we help customers become happy solar owners. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like the current video. Please let me know what you want to hear about from a business or consumer perspective. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.